Hi, I'm Tamana. I'm from India, and I would love to share my experience with you all inside the Sacred Vitality Club. So, I was there for the summer month. It was like a summer club. For 3 months, I was there from May to August, and I had some amazing time there. It was truly healing, transformative, and I was able to discover a lot of things about myself, and especially I was moving from one city to another. Even amidst that chaos, I really needed that grounding in my life, and I found Amrita at the right time. I joined this club, and I'm truly grateful for whatever we had inside the portal, because it was so easy for us to access the information from anywhere. We had some yummy recipes there. I really experimented with a lot of recipes. And we also had these amazing weekly calls where we would discover new things about us, and we felt so safe and held by Amrita. We were able to share whatever that we wanted to express with so much honesty and grace. So I love yoga sessions, which I was not able to attend, but then we had all the recordings on the portal, and I was able to easily access those recording as well. So overall, I truly enjoyed my time inside Sacred Vitality Club. It helped me heal my relationship with my body and also understand the doshas that are going imbalanced, and then with kind of like approaching food as medicine, and also that I'm coming from a place of ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, which is India, and then to discover the beauty of Ayurveda in such a profound way by Amrita, it was truly amazing. So thank you, Amrita, for curating this safe, loving container for us where I could bloom. I was being celebrated as I am, and everyone was rooting for me. So, my experience was truly amazing there. Very healing. Thank you.